In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily delete messages on WhatsApp. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off open up WhatsApp app, and then we can enter some conversation or group chat. And if you want to delete just one single or multiple messages in that conversation, we can just long press at the message we would like to delete and then tap at delete. After that, we'll be able to check mark multiple messages or attached media files at the same time, and then tap at that trash icon to remove all of that messages at once. We can choose whether we would like to delete these messages for everyone or just for me. I'm gonna tap at delete 3 messages for everyone, and what that will do, that will remove all of the selected messages. However, it says that you deleted this message now. If you want to delete the entire conversation, you can get out of here, then swipe to the left, tap at more, and then tap at clear chat. Then choose delete all except shared or delete all messages. I'm gonna choose delete all messages. In this way we can delete messages on WhatsApp. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.